हेलो गाइस, आई होप आप सभी ठीक होंगे। टुडे इज़ माय वीडियो ऑन द माइंड द बैटल फील्ड, क्योंकि जो चीज़ें हमारे दिमाग में चलती हैं वही हमारी रियल लाइफ में भी होती हैं। इफ़ यू आर पॉजिटिव दैन द पॉजिटिव थिंग्स कैम अक्रॉस यू, और अगर आप नेगेटिव हो तो नेगेटिव चीज़ें ही आपके दिमाग में आएंगी। So I told you one thing, one experiment. A scientist wanted to test a theory. Needed a volunteer to get to the last conscious. Finally found him. He was a death sentence who would be executed in the electric chair. The scientist proposed to the convicted, which is the following. He would participate in a scientific experiment that consisted of a small cut in his pulse, with the purpose of his blood slowly dripping to the last drop. He explained to him that he had minimal chance of survival, but that anyway his death would be without suffering or pain. He would not even notice. The convicted man accepted because dying in this way was preferable to dying in the electric chair. They placed him on a stretcher and tied his body so he could not move. Then they made a small cut on his wrist and placed a small aluminium vessel under his arm. The cut was superficial, just his first layer of skin, but it was enough for him to believe he had actually cut his veins. Under the bed, a serum jar was placed, with a small valve regulating the passage of liquid in the form of drops falling into the vase. The convicted man could hear the drip and counted every drop of what he believed was his blood. The scientist, without the convicted person seeing him, was closing the valve so that the drip would diminish, with the intention of his to think his blood was ending. तो जब उसने वाल्व बंद कर दिया तो उनको लगा कि भाई उसका जो बंदा था उसको लगा कि उसका खून ख़त्म हो गया है. With the minutes passing, his face was losing color. His heart rate speeded up and he lost air to his lungs. When despair reached its peak, the scientist completely shut down the valve, and then the convicted man went into cardiac arrest and died. The scientist managed to prove that the human mind strictly meets everything he perceives and that the individual accepts it, whether positive or negative, acting on our entire psychic and organic part. I have always thought that the mind has no limits when deceiving itself. Worse, even when you don't understand things and manufacture what you can to understand. Like when we see things, we take them as supernatural, but they really are not. Many times in our life, problems that seem to be mysterious. Possibly there is someone who tells us that there is a small possibility of reversing the situation, but we decide to believe only what we are able to perceive and imagine. Who thinks are failing already failed. Whoever thinks or winning takes one step forward. So इस कहानी से हमें क्या सीख मिलती है कि जो भी चीज़ है इस दुनिया में वो सब हमारी ही दिमाग का खेल है. आप जैसा सोचोगे आपके साथ वैसा ही होगा. अभी उस बंदे को कट लगा था, ओनली स्मॉल कट था, लेकिन उसको ये था कि मेरे को ज़्यादा कट लगा दिया गया और उससे मेरा ब्लड लॉस हो रहा है, जबकि वो पानी की ड्रॉप्स थी और उसका कोई ब्लड लॉस नहीं हुआ. लेकिन उसकी जो थिंकिंग थी इसलिए उसका कलर चेंज हो गया, उसके सांस बंद हो गई और वो बंदा डेथ कर गया. ये साइंटिफिकली प्रूव्ड है कि अगर हम पॉजिटिव सोचेंगे तो पॉजिटिव चीज़ें ही हमारे आसपास होंगी. अगर हम नेगेटिव सोचेंगे तो वही चीज़ होंगी. आप अपनी लाइफ में बहुत सी ऐसी चीज़ें होंगी जिनको देखते होंगे. जब आप स्टार्ट करते हो पॉजिटिव तो वही चीज़ होती है, क्योंकि जो चीज़ें हम जो चीज़ें सोचते हैं वही चीज़ें हमारी लाइफ में होती हैं. सो हमें अपने आप को हमेशा पॉजिटिव रखना है. जितना हम पॉजिटिव रखेंगे अपने आप को उतना ही हमारी लाइफ बहुत अच्छे से चलेगी. आई होप आप लोग सभी पॉजिटिव फील करेंगे, पॉजिटिव रहेंगे एंड हैप्पी फॉर योर लाइफ. बी मोटिवेटेड and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Thank you to all.